Yes, we're live. Hello, ladies. Kumusta ang inyong Sunday?
Mabuti.
Wow, that's nice. All right. Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon sa inyong lahat. We are coming to you live from different time zones. So please say hi and tell us where you are watching us from. Sa lahat ng nanonood nito ngayon ng live at sa lahat ng manonood. Also, we are broadcasting live sa aming mga social media accounts, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Tonight's topic is going to be another interesting segment again, kaya stay tuned lang po kayo. Welcome to Season 9 of OFW's Go Digital. Ang segment po na ito is a Tagalog live talk series about the life of Filipino workers around the world and their digital journey. Ang aim po namin dito is to inspire, motivate, and educate all fellow OFWs to set up their own online business as their side hustle, plan B, corporate exit strategy, and or for retirement plans so they can return to their families as soon as possible. Before we start, allow us to introduce ourselves. First, let's start with Sister Verna.
Hello, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Welcome and thank you for being with us here tonight. My name is Berna again, and I am a wife, a mom of 2 kids, and originally po from Laguna, Philippines, and based here in the US. Been living here for 18 years and working at a mail processing company full-time, a part-time retail associate, and a part-time digital business owner. And yung pong securing our family's future is one of my whys in starting this online business. Thank you.
Yan. Thank you, Sis Verna. And hello, ladies. So, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So, I'm coming to you live from Singapore. So, my name is Kathy. So, I'm a wife. I'm a mom to 2 wonderful sons. And nakabase kami dito sa Singapore since 2007. So, I worked as an engineer previously in a corporate world for 20 years, but now a stay-at-home mom and a digital business owner and a mentor. So I started this business kasi gusto kong magkaroon ng mas maraming oras for my family, for my children. At the same time is magkaroon ng another stream of income kasi dito sa Singapore medyo mataas yung cost of living. So maraming salamat.
Alright, thank you Sis Cathy and hello ladies. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. Ang dami nila. Ako po si Jel. I am a wife to an OFW here in Papua New Guinea. I'm a mom of 2. I have over a decade of experience in corporate HR and recruitment and also a proud digital business owner.
Yes, thank you, ladies. Ako naman po si Lani, originally from Bataan Province. I'm a single mom, an overseas Filipino worker na naka-base dito sa Cambodia. I work as a quality assurance in a manufacturing company. I've been here for almost 13 years now. Well, nag-venture ako sa digital entrepreneurship para magkaroon ng another source of income while working full-time as OFW para mas lalo kong masustain yung pangangailangan ng pamilya at para makatulong na ma-achieve ko ng mabilis yung mga pinapangarap ko para sa future namin. Alright, ang topic po namin for tonight is about the different types of success that OFWs can attain through digital business. Okay, to start the sharing, let's hear with Sister Verna first.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sis Lani. Okay, so ano po ba yung pwede nating ma-achieve dito sa pag-venture in an online business? So, first, for parents like us, so napakalaking dream na mapatapos natin ang ating mga anak sa pag-aaral, di ba? At hindi din naman madali na matustusan yung needs nila kung maliit lang ang kita. Kaya naghahanap tayo ng opportunity na madagdagan ng income natin. So, based on my experience, nagkaroon ako ng anxiety when my daughter started looking for a university and asked me to send her to a good college. And that time we have saved, but it's not enough. So alam naman natin na expensive magpadala ng ng kids sa college. So ayun ang reason why I ventured in this online business. And even though I have multiple jobs, I still manage to do it on my free time. I work extra hour on some days because we don't really have to devote long hours like a regular job. A side job na hindi natin kailangan mag-clock in at mag-clock out. So, and because of that, I feel secured dahil nakapag-umpisa na ako. And I personally have improved. So, I never imagined myself going out of my comfort zone. But here I am. And as I grow in this business, maraming opportunities pa ang pwede kong ma-achieve. Like, improve quality of life, ability to invest on health and travel and personal interest. At syempre, yung makatulong din sa extended families back home. So, sama na din natin dito ang early retirement. Medyo matagal na din akong nagtatrabaho kami ng asawa ko. At habang ang age natin ay, every year nadadagdagan, di ba? Ngayon ko lang na-realize na dapat habang maaga, nakapaghanap ako ng ibang opportunity na makatulong sa amin makapag-retire ng maaga. And I have worked for a company for 18 years. May naipon kami and I can tell you hindi naman siya enough for retiring early. So from 18 years, gigising kami from the sound of alarm clock, sometimes 5 o'clock, 3:30 a.m., then babangon and then uuwi ka na ng late. So ganun yung naging routine namin for the past 16 years. At marami sa ating mga Pilipino din double job dahil sa talagang pangangailangan ng pamilya. At if you're doing it every single day, nakakapagod, nakaka-burnout din. So, and I shared earlier, one of our hosts is a living proof that this business can help you retire early. In our team, I have seen many of them retired in their early 30s. So who wouldn't want to, di ba? So dream namin lahat na makapag-retire ng maaga. And syempre, bago natin magawa yung kailangan gumawa tayo ng paraan para ma-achieve natin yung dream na yan. So if you feel like you need to change, ito yung maaring magbigay ng mga sagot. Kailangan lang maging open and yung eagerness natin na mabago yung buhay natin. Ito yung magbibigay sa atin ng passion to pursue, motivation natin sa ating mga sarili. And I'm positive that when you decided to start and have all the ingredients, you will succeed. In summary po, digital business present a remarkable opportunity sa ating mga OFWs to achieve early retirement while significantly improving our quality of life. And itong modern approach to business, OFWs can create a fulfilling life for themselves and their families. So yun lang po. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sis Verna. Talagang nakaka-relate, di ba? Lahat tayo nakaka-relate dyan sa bakit tayo pumunta ng ibang bansa, di ba? Para magkaroon ng better life, ma-improve yung life natin. And syempre, yun nga, hindi na tayo bumabata. Mahalaga na meron tayong retirement plan. Diba? So, yun nga, kumbaga, minsan meron talagang kapalit. So, even na nandun tayo sa improved life, pero marami tayong kailangan gawin. Diba? Marami tayong kailangan i-sacrifice talaga. So, unang-una na, kaya natin to binibigay itong opportunity, itong digital business sa iba, is yung ma-achieve natin yung makontrol natin yung own time natin, magkaroon tayo ng freedom. Diba? Na sinabi ni Sis Verna kanina na parang every morning is meron gigising sa'yo na alarm clock na you have no choice. You need to. Diba? Na kailangan magtrabaho kasi gusto mo ng improved life. Kailangan mo ng better life. Pero yun, laging nako-compromise yung time natin sa family natin, yung family natin for ourselves, diba? Yung time para magawa natin yung kung ano yung gusto natin gawin, kung ano yung mas importante. So, isa to sa pwedeng ma-achieve when you have a digital business. na magkaroon ka ng freedom, yung time freedom na pwede mong gawin yung mas importante. You can prioritize kung ano yung mas importante sa'yo. Unang-una is yung family natin. Iba? Hindi lang, we earn money, but yung time, nawawala yung oras natin para sa family natin. So yun yung hindi na natin maibabalik. Magkaroon man tayo ng maraming income, maraming alam mo yon yung wealth, pero yung time na hindi na natin maibabalik. So, isa ito sa pwedeng ma-achieve natin in doing digital business. Na isa pa is yung nga, reuniting with our family. So, bakit umaalis yung mga OFW? Diba? Yung nasabi ko kanina is gusto magkaroon ng improved life, pero malayo sa family. So, ako, based on my experience, nandito ako sa Singapore for how many years na? More than 10 years. So, even na kasama ko yung mga anak ko dito, pero yung time na na-spend ko sa kanila, parang minsan, parang malayo rin ako sa kanila. So, etong digital business, ang pwede mong ma-achieve yun nga is ma-reunite kayo. So, for me, parang masasabi ko na I reunited my heart with my children. Kasi 'di ba pag hindi tayo nag-spend ng time sa mga anak natin, malalayo sila sa atin eh. Ba hindi na natin minsan kilala sila dahil dun sa hindi tayo nag-spend ng time sa kanila, mas mas na mas yung oras nila is na-spend nila kung meron tayong helper, meron tayong maid, merong ibang tao na nag-aalaga sa kanila, mas dun sila close. Mas dun sila, alam mo yun, mas magkilala sila. So, yung personal experience ko dito is dahil full-time na ako dito sa business, yung time ko na talagang na-enjoy ko, nagigising ako, kasama ko sila, yung bang mag-spend ako ng time sa kanila, 24/7, pwede kong magawa yun ngayon. Nung nagwo-work ako, yung last time na mention ko na nagta-travel ako when the time na nagwo-work ako, lagi akong nagta-travel. So yun yung mga time na kahit may sakit yung anak ko is no choice. You need to do your work. You need to sacrifice, you need to tatagan yung loob kasi kailangan mong mag-work. So, eto yung time ngayon, na-enjoy ko talaga na pagising, bago matulog, pag dumating yung son ko galing school, meron siyang dadatnan na, alam mo yon na mother na mag-aasikaso sa kanya. So, eto po ang isa sa pwedeng ma-achieve. You are reuniting the family. So, kung isa kang OFW at naghahangad ka na na makasama mo yung pamilya mo. So, this is a business na fit to you kasi pwede mong dalhin tong business na to kung umuwi ka man ng Pilipinas or you want to go to other place. So, you can bring this business and yun nga, yung time na ginagawa mo to, nakasama mo yung family mo at nag-earn ka. So this opportunity na ino-offer namin or sinishare namin sa inyo is because na-achieve namin itong mga gusto naming ma-achieve. And this digital business help us. So yun po. Maraming salamat. Ayan, we have a viewer from Eric. Hello ladies, it's nice to see you all again watching live here at Washington, USA. Yeah, thank you Eric for watching. Nakamute ka, Sis Jel.
Oh, okay. Can you hear me? Okay, thank you so much. All right, so I think isa dun sa pinakamahalagang success na pwedeng ma-achieve ng mga OFWs through a digital business is financial independence. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo magve-venture sa isang negosyo if we are not looking at getting financial independence, no? And dun sa aming almost 4 years of experience in running our online business, it has actually proved na there is really financial independence dito sa business na to. So imagine, no, nung nag-start kami 2 months into the business, we already started receiving income. And syempre nagsimula kami ng maliit lang, pero hindi namin akalain na ganun yung income agad na marireceive namin. Kasi we also run a traditional business, no? So talagang kita namin na pag nagsisimula ka ng negosyo, minsan hindi ka pa talaga kikita in the second month. Baka in the sixth month pa o kaya 1 year or 2 years. So dito, second month, may income na, and then that time, habang niraran ko yung aming business, I was also working full-time. And I'm looking after our daughter. So, very flexible kasi pwede ko pa rin gawin yung ibang mga bagay, no, while running this business. Hanggang sa nung nag-second year na kami sa business, yung earning namin usually the same na siya ng corporate job salary ko. And eventually, on our third year, it has already surpassed what I used to earn in my corporate HR and recruitment job. All this with just 2 to 3 hours of running our business per day while being 100% present to our kids, to our family. Walang commute, walang traffic, walang stress. Full of learning and fun. Kasi marami ka talagang matututunan sa business na to. At saka masaya siya. Actually, minsan nga parang addicting yung mga tasks na gagawin mo. Kasi since nag-enjoy ka, parang you wanted to do more. And syempre, as a mom, parang we are always looking for something na parang outlet natin aside from looking after our kids o kaya aside from if you have traditional or full-time jobs or iba pang ginagawa mo, gusto mo may iba ka pa ring ginagawa, no? Na para malibang ka naman. Hindi lang yung mommy task or mommy duties. So with that, yung online business namin has actually allowed me to stay home with my kids, earning more than my corporate job salary, and run a thriving career sa aming bahay. So talagang may career dito sa business na to. Imagine, ang dami naming skills na natututunan that we can use not only for this business but also for other businesses, whether traditional man yan, or iba pang online business, o kaya in some personal projects or even mga school activities, pwede mong gamitin yung mga learnings na matututunan mo, no? So sa mga kababayan nating mga OFWs, you don't have to keep working overseas forever to provide for your family. Imagine being able to come back home for good but still having an income. You need to support your family. Yan yung pwedeng maibigay talaga ng business na ito, no? Isa pa is yung business expansion. Isa dun sa kagandahan ng online business na to, pwede kang magkaroon ng mga business branches or expansions around the world. Yung online business namin is not only limited by location. No, when we started, ang goal lang namin nun is to at least magkaroon ako ng something na gagawin ko sa bahay, na malilibang pa rin ako at kikita din ako. Kasi nga, we really plan to be together with my husband dito sa PNG. So, yun yung nakikita kong way para mangyari talaga siya. Yung meron akong gawin pa at magkaroon ako ng income, no? So, thankfully, nung sinimula namin yung business after 5 months of running, ayun na, we were able to reunite with my husband in Papua New Guinea, bringing our business with us. So, nadadala mo talaga siya kahit saan ka magpunta. As long as you have an internet connection and you can run your business anywhere. Sa aming online business, meron kaming mga business branches from different countries, no? Hindi lang siya sa Philippines, tsaka dito sa Papua New Guinea. May mga business partners kami in Australia, New Zealand, sa US, Taiwan, Cambodia, Middle East, Singapore, and other countries. And we learn and grow with them through this online business. Ang dami naming natututunan sa mga business partners namin, no? And as an OFW, yung skills and knowledge na nakuha natin or nakuha nyo from your experience working overseas, actually yun yung advantage nyo when it comes to understanding the different markets. At isa yun dun sa mahalagang tasks or skills na kailangan mo pagka niran mo tong business na to, yung alam mo na yung iba-ibang markets na po pwedeng magkaroon ka ng business expansion. Kasi syempre you're dealing with people of different countries, different nationalities. So kung na-experience mo na yung location na yon, the way or papaano ba yung mga tao doon, what's their behavior on things, mas madali mong matatarget yung right audience mo, no? So, meron na kayo nun. Kaya you can expand your business not only in the Philippines, no, even in other countries. And yung pag-expand ng business to different countries, hindi siya basta-basta nakukuha sa isang traditional business. Di ba? Pag magkakaroon ka ng pag mag-open ka ng another branch or lalo na kung branch sa ibang bansa, pag traditional business, medyo mahal matrabaho, madami kang kailangang asikasuhin. Dito, tuturuan ka namin how to target your audience from different locations para meron kang branches or expansions in different countries, no? So, I'm sharing all of this kasi nanggaling kami dyan sa sitwasyon na yan. Hindi rin namin alam lahat nung simula, pero once we started the business, kasi hindi mo naman kailangan talagang malaman lahat, no? Simulan mo para malaman mo, no? Nung nagsimula na kami, binild na namin yung aming digital business, na bago talaga yung buhay namin, no? So now I get to enjoy the freedom of owning my time, financial stability, and a growing business that I can call my own. Kasi talagang nakaregister siya sa pangalan namin mag-asawa. And yung best part, of course, I can be with my family. Wala nang mga missing out on important things in life, lalo na maliliit pa yung kids ko, no? Ayokong ma-miss yung mga milestones nila, yung mga activities nila sa school. And syempre, kapag ka mga OFW, alam nyo yan, sanay na sanay tayo dyan na yung mga family activities, gatherings, milestones, yan yung nami-miss nyo talaga technically kasi wala kayo eh. Mas mahaba yung time na ini-spend nyo in other countries kesa yung time nyo with the family. No? And yun, kaya sobrang passionate kami to share this business with fellow OFWs or yung mga overseas or people or Filipinos based in overseas because I know what it's like to want more. No? Kasi ganun din kami. Gusto namin more freedom, more income, more time with our loved ones. No? And dito sa business na to, lahat possible siya. No? Ay, ang dami naman nating ngayon. Comments from Andrew. Hello, strong and amazing ladies watching live from Singapore. Wow, strong. Bill Kai says, congrats. Thank you. And Kay is watching. Hello, ladies watching live from the Philippines. Thank you, sis, for watching.
Yes, thank you ladies for sharing. Ang dami talaga na success na ma-achieve natin sa digital business na ito. And ang isa pa rin sa mga success na pwede nating ma-achieve, of course, yung legacy building. Nung nag-start ako dito sa digital business, ang ina-expect ko lang is yung magkaroon sana ako ng extra income para makasupport doon sa aking OFW's income at makatulong na ma-achieve ko yung ilang pinapangarap o pangarap ko pa sa aking pamilya. Pero for a surprise, ang digital business po na ito ay nagbibigay din ng potential para sa long-term financial security na maaari nating ipamana sa ating pamilya. Katulad ko as an OFW, single mom, masaya at na kampante ako na mayroon na akong maibibigay or maipapamana sa aking unika iha na magbibigay sa kanya ng maraming magandang opportunity for her future and syempre para sa pamilya din. Di po ba? Then another success is yung alam niyo po ba na hindi lamang ito para sa aming mga OFW. Yung success na ma-achieve natin, hindi lamang para sa atin. Pwede rin tayong makatulong sa iba. Yun nga, isa sa success is yung ability to help others. Kasi yung success po sa digital business na ito ay magiging way para makatulong tayo sa iba. Maaari po tayong mag-mentor or mag-guide sa ating mga fellow OFWs or individuals na interesado din sa digital entrepreneurship. Katulad po nitong ginagawa ko personally, yan, as OFW, through my business page na isinishare ko po yung aking experiences, yung aking knowledge, at yung lessons learned sa pagpapatakbo ko ng aking business na maaaring makatulong sa iba na magkaroon ng opportunity to succeed din just in case mag-venture sila sa digital business na ito. Mabibigyan po natin ng hope at support ang iba na nagnanais din na magkaroon ng extra income o magsimula ng sariling negosyo. And of course, through this success din po, maaari din po nating suportahan hindi lamang ang ating pamilya. Ganoon din po ang ating extended family na talaga namang likas na kasiyahan sa ating mga OFWs, di po ba? Okay, I think that's all for me. Maraming salamat sa inyo ladies for sharing. Siya pong tunay na ang dami talagang maaaring ma-achieve na success ng OFWs when they venture into digital business. Both personally and financially, at ilan nga sa marami ay yung ma-improve po yung quality of our life, early retirement, reuniting with family, business expansion, financial independence, ability to help others, and legacy building. And of course, ang lahat po ng iyan ay hindi ma-achieve natin as long as aalagaan po natin yung ating negosyo by being committed, keep learning, and remain consistent sa ating mga efforts dahil ang flexibility and potential po ng digital business na ito will allow us to grow while still fulfilling responsibilities abroad. That's all for us. Sana po ay na-inspire, na-motivate, at na-educate namin kayo sa mga naibahagi namin tonight na talaga namang makakapagbigay ng magandang pagbabago sa inyong buhay na napakarami na pong OFWs na katulad namin or kasama na kami na nakakaranas ng magandang potential at opportunity dahil dito sa digital business na ito. So kung kayo po ay may desire to change your life and your family for the better at nagnanais na mag-venture sa digital business na ito, mag-register lamang po kayo sa aming mga website na makikita nyo sa aming mga pages para malaman nyo po yung mga detalye ng digital business na ito. Kung mayroon po kayong katanungan, mag-comment lang po kayo and we would be more happy to answer you. Maraming salamat po and see you on our next episode. God bless everyone.
Bye.
Bye.